Hello, my name is Japneet Kaur. In this video, we are going to create a rock shooter game. For that, you need to open Scratch. At first, we will take some sprites. We will need a rock because it's a rock shooter game. Rock. We need a rocket and a beautiful backdrop. So, I will take it from space. Stars is good. Yes. And we need something to shoot, which will be buttons. I will use button. This looks better. So at first let me change some size. Yeah, that's perfect. Now 50%, 55, it's okay now, and it will go to 20, 30. It's okay now. Now take the rocket ship and we will rotate this one, and so let us rotate it. Now it's done. Okay, so let us come to rocks now. Rocks size is perfect. You will make it size 60%. Now at first go to the events block and take when flag clicked, looks, show them. And we have already changed their size, and we will take a repeat block, repeat 5 times. What we will repeat? Create clones of myself. So we will create clones, and after that hide them. Now I will go to events and control, and when I start as a clone, go to XY, X to be as 240. So X is horizontal position and Y is vertical position, and we will take random from Y. So pick random from -50, -150 to 150. Remember, this is -150 and this is 150. Now we will create one variable as speed. Now we will set speed to pick random. I will duplicate this one. Set speed, it will take from -2 to -6, right? So it will take random speed. Now I will take a repeat until block and go to sensing when repeat until when it is not touching rocket ship. So I will go here and change X by speed, and we will put some if conditions inside it. We will put 2 if conditions. In the first one, we are going to first of all take in the operators block and take lesser than block. So over here I will write -220. If my X position is lesser than -220, what it will do, it will go to xy position, it will go to 240 x position, and y it will take random from minus 150 to 150. We'll put that lambo. Now we will take one more. If it is touching a laser or a bullet, so this is button 2. If it is touching button 2, I will rename this as laser. Okay, so when it is touching laser, what it should do, it should change score. We will create one more variable which will be score. Yeah, so change score by 1. Okay, and we will also add some sound. So start sound. So I will take magic spell sound from over here. Magic spell. We will take this one. This one is okay. So magic spell sound. Now after magic spell, we will take go to XY position, and it will take pick random from over here. We will stop this game for a time. And now over here, I will go to events and broadcast message. If it is not doing, if it is touching rocket ship, it should broadcast a new message that game is over. Whenever it will touch that rocket, it will show that game is over now. Okay, so we are done over here. Now next, we will go to rocket ship. So at first we will take when flag clicked, set score to 0, and we already have changed its size. Now go to x position will be minus 197, and y position will be -4. Now I will put a repeat until block over here and two if condition inside that. First, second. Now we will go to over here, and if this key is pressed, means whenever we will click up and down arrow, so what it should do, it should change its y position, change y by 10, duplicate block, and over here we will write minus 110, minus 10, right? Now over here, broad, whenever we will receive up arrow, we whenever I receive game over, it should stop all the things. Oh sorry, I forgot to put here, whenever it is touching uh, a rocket ship, why it whenever it is touching, sorry, rocks, it will repeat this thing. So whenever I receive game over, it will stop all the things. Now we are done with this also. Now going to the laser, we will write when flag clicked. We already have changed its size. So when flag clicked, it should hide first of all. And we will create one when space key is pressed, we will create one block that whenever a space key is pressed, it should create clones. And whenever it starts as a clone, go to XY position, go to X to be minus 160, and Y position we will go to sensing block, and over here we get this one backdrop hashtag of stage. So at first we will take Y position. If we are not getting Y position over here, you will go to the stage and take rocket ship, and over here you will select Y position. Now it should show, and again we will take one repeat until block, and if it is touching edge, so what it should do, move 10 steps, and after that it should delete this clone. Right, now we need one more sprite which will be game over. So we will paint it by ourselves. We will create one more sprite which will be game over. It should fill with red color, saturation to be 100, and I would like to take pixel, and I will write game over. It's done now. I'm gonna increase its size. Yeah, done. Now we will go to the coding part. So in the events we will take when flag clicked, it should at first hide. It should hide. And we also created one variable that broadcast game over. So we will use that. When I receive game over, what it should do, it should set ghost effect. It should set ghost effect to 10, and it should show after all. We will mm, add one sound, start sound, zoop. I will take zoop sound. This one. Now we will go over here and start sound, zoop, and at last we will stop all. Now let us test this game. Whenever we are pressing space key, it is working. Now up arrow, down arrow. It's changing our score also. It's working very fine. I hope you have enjoyed with me. Thanks for watching our video.